These 3 Android hacks can be life-saving, and most of the people do not know about these Android life-saving hacks. If you want to know what these are, then stick to the video, and if you enjoy this video, please watch the last one. Last one is my favorite. The very first Android life-saving hack is one-handed mode. Sometimes we are using our smartphone with our only one hand, either left or right. At that time we cannot use full screen of our smartphone. So at that time this one-handed mode helps you to use all applications at once. Go to your settings, type one-handed mode and use it. Second Android life-saving hack is app pinning. Sometimes second person want to use particular application on your smartphone, but on the same ground you are worried what if they open second application. So app pinning helps you to pin your particular application which second person want to use, and whatever they do, they cannot open second application or they cannot go back to the home screen. The last one is my favorite, that is extreme battery saver. Most of the people know about this feature, but some do not. So let me teach you how this feature helps you. Like extreme battery saver can give you like 1 hour backup per percentage. Like if your battery is under 30%, 20% or 10% and you are far away from home or charging station, so you can use this extreme battery saver feature, which might help you to give extra battery to your smartphone. So guys, if you like this informative video, please like this video, share this video as well as subscribe my channel. Take care and bye bye.